Don't panic when looking at the graph. Finding the area between two curves is a simple game of top minus bottom. Today, I am going to show you how to solve this exact problem, from finding intersection points to the final integration. First, we need to know where our region starts and ends. We find them by setting the equations equal to each other. X cubed equals 16x. If we move everything to one side and factor our x, we get x times the quantity x squared minus 16 equals 0. Now to find our roots, let's set the first x to 0, and this will give us the first root, x equals 0. For the second root, we can set x squared minus 16 equals 0 and solve for x, so x will be equal to 4. As you can see, our roots are x equals 0 and x equals 4, and those are our limits for the integral. Now, look at the shaded region. Between 0 and 4, which graph is higher? The straight line, y equals 16x, is on top, and the curve y equals x cubed is on the bottom. So our area formula, a equals the integral from a to b of top minus bottom, dx becomes a equals the integral from 0 to 4 of 16 x minus x cubed dx. Now for the calculus. We use the power rule to integrate our function, 16x minus x cubed. For the first term, 16x becomes 8x squared. For the second term, negative x cubed becomes negative x to the fourth power over 4. So, the integration of the function 16x minus x cubed dx equals 8x squared minus x to the fourth power over 4. Now we just need to evaluate this from 0 to 4. We start by substituting the upper limit, 4. So, 8 times 4 squared minus 4 to the fourth power over 4 equals 64. When we substitute in the bottom limit, 0, the whole thing becomes 0. So, a equals 64 minus 0 equals 64, and this is the area of the shaded region. If this helped you understand how to calculate the shaded area on a graph, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.